Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. This video is going to be on how we built our new computer desk. And for those of you that don't know, our new computer desk is awesome. And this is how we made it.
Hi. Planing a board, my belt fell off on my electric joiner. So, I'm doing it by hand now. This is going to be a bench. Sorry, no. It is going to be a table for our new computer. Our new computer table. Enjoy. I know this is riveting footage, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is just the bottom, so it's it's pretty flat the way it is, but when the electric one dies, you go old school guy. Just like Van Damme, double impact.
Oh my god.
Oh, Van Damme with flippers.
There. Wow, it's just a nose.
Yep. Well, my mom had complications at birth.
Oh my god.
That came outside.
Just your nose did.
Oysters. Got my little form. Now get glued on. Just now do the little one here. Now get glued on. And this is the part of the video where we lose subscribers. We could sex this up a little bit, but... Brown chicken, brown cow. Yep, it's the cheap stuff at about $120 a gallon.
Oh, wow, it's me. Hello, hello, hello.
What?
It's like the Grand Canyon in there.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
You're messy.
I don't care.
Oh, okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It is simple project really. One piece of wood, 2 legs. Done. But thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on the next adventures of our studios doing stuff. Bye.